What's going on YouTube? Today I want to talk about Litepay. Litepay is coming in the months of February, confirmed by Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin. Litecoin has been growing steadily, thousands and thousands of percentages in the last few months. And it says Litepay is not a rumor. They have announced that they will launch in February. All the news networks are picking up the Litepay news. It's going to compete with the BitPay that's already around. As you can see, I'm wearing a Bitcoin hat and I'm here shitting on BitPay and Bitcoin. But there is a few fundamental problems with BitPay. It's very slow using the Bitcoin network. Confirmations take a very long time. And I can give you an example here. In Canada, KFC launched BitPay payments. And if you buy a bucket of chicken for $20, you pay $5 a fee that goes to BitPay. It's just too expensive. Confirmations are too long, and it's not feasible in a real world scenario. Bitcoin has to get on the Lightning Network. It's very important for the payments to be instant if you want to start accepting them in real life scenarios, in real transactions, in stores, B2C transactions, or B2B perhaps. So much lower fees for Litepay compared to traditional credit cards. 1% fees compared to 3% to PayPal or credit cards. The only problem with Litepay is you still have to change that Litepay into fiat and load it somehow onto the debit or credit card. Not sure all the details how it's going to work. So the fees still might end up in 3% if you're doing B2C. Business to business might work better, where there might be lower fees if you're doing business to business transaction. But the beauty of this Litepay is that it's super fast. Lightning Network. Litecoin is on that network, of course. Very fast confirmations, maybe a minute or less. So it's looking good. All the networks are screaming about this. Litepay, Litepay, Litepay. Litecoin, because of this news, is the only one today in our first week of February. Bloodbath of crypto is the only crypto that's 3% up today, so it's the only one hanging in there and surviving right now when heads are getting pounded in and people are being shaken off and selling. Okay, so beautiful spike here and then back down to 150. Am I bearish or bullish on Litecoin? I think it's gonna go up. I think Litecoin's got a lot of potential. If Litepay goes through and it's officially announced and people start signing up for Litepay, we're going to the moon. I think this is not financial advice. Please don't take my advice. Only invest how much you are prepared to lose. I'm just giving you my opinion based on my independent research. So Litecoin, very nice coin, low supply, 84 million. It's got the potential to be in the thousands. It's got it. Okay, beautiful. So here's I just did some research and I was like, who is this? Wow, ambulances. I don't know, I live on like a road where there's like ambulances, fire trucks every day. So in my videos, you know it's my video when you hear an ambulance or fire truck, whatever that was. So, Litepay, okay? Center Oak Plaza seems like some kind of shared office spaces, like virtual office. So we really don't know who's behind all this. I was just looking up something else. Let's look up Litepay. That was another company. San Francisco Pine Street looks like some kind of shared office space. Litepay Inc. They're saying Suite 1250. Somebody tried to call the phone number. No one picked up. It was registered through Schlund.de through a German register, which is a little bit strange. Some people are saying it's a rumor. I don't think it's a rumor. I'm not sure why it was registered for a German company, the domain name. We'll see what happens. Let's keep our fingers crossed in the month of February for Litepay to go through. If this goes through and if people start using it in a real life scenario, this is some huge news. This is the first time cryptocurrency is going to be applicable in the real world. It's now more speculations. Now we're going to be actually seeing transactions. Great news, great things happening for Litepay. Let me know what you think. Right now, when you go sign up and you put your email address, you just get added to some lists. So hopefully I'll get an email. I signed up, letting me know the updates, what's going on with Litepay. Thank you guys for watching. What do you think about Litecoin? Do you think we're going to the moon? You think we're dropping back down? Hit up the comments below. And if you're not trading yet, I dropped the Binance link below. Get on Binance. Great platform. I'd stay away from platforms like Cryptopia. There is some dirty trading going on, but admins are disabling coins, enabling. I heard some rumors going around that. I would stay away from that. Binance is a huge platform, millions of users, and they play fair. Thank you guys for watching, and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.